Are you looking for a dinosaur-themed maths activity? Well, look no further, because here at Twinkl, we're here to help all those who teach. And this fantastic dinosaur-themed subtraction within 10 challenge cards is just what you're looking for. These fantastic dinosaur-themed challenge cards are a great way for your children to practice their subtraction skills with numbers up to 10. You will find that each challenge card is themed with a different dinosaur, and children need to answer the questions on the cards. And there are lots of different ways that this resource could be used. You could use it as your independent activity, or they could be placed in your maths challenge area, and children could complete them once they have finished their independent activity. Or another fun way would be get your children to have a go at answering all the questions and timing themselves to see how long it takes to answer them all. And don't worry, Twinkl's got you covered. It even comes with a handy answer sheet, so children can have a go at marking their own work or a partner's. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at this dinosaur-themed subtraction within 10 challenge cards. And remember to go and check out some of our other lovely resources on the Twinkl website. And don't forget to subscribe to the Key Stage 1 YouTube channel, where you'll find more great content. And I'll see you next time.